You can see the tomato fruit, and when the tomato fruit was split open, on the outer face of it, it was looking full good, without any problem or without any stain or any kind of hole or rot. It looked perfectly healthy from outside, the tomato piece, but when split open, you can see small seeds being sprouted. You can see little bit of roots that has grown inside. I think there are two seeds that has decided to become plant. One is in green and one is already sprouted well, that is white. The green one is still stuck with the seed. The radicle is coming out from the seed, and there are roots over here in the pulp of the tomato. How the trees grow. The tomato seedling growing inside the pulp without the outer knowledge, and the roots firmly stuck to the pulp of the tomato. Amazing.